Welcome to our discussion on the history of architecture documentary. Architects and historians have long been fascinated by the documentation of architecture, from ancient ruins to modern-day skyscrapers. This documentary explores the evolution of architectural documentary, from its earliest forms to the digital tools of today. The early days of architecture documentary are marked by the practice of recording architecture in written and visual works. From ancient Sufi tombs in Turkey to the Islamic architecture of the Golden Age in Spain. These works capture the aesthetics and functionality of architecture. The Renaissance, a period of renewed interest in classical Greek and Roman architecture, saw the rise of architectural documentary as well. Italy's famous architectural drawings by Leon Battista Alberti and Filippo Brunelleschi exemplify the importance of documentation in the craft. The 18th and 19th centuries were marked by the emergence of modern architecture, with the codification of architectural principles through scientific analysis and the creation of architectural blueprints. The American architect William Thompson played a pivotal role in this movement, developing the system of construction designation that still widely uses today. In recent decades, documentary has evolved to include digital tools, such as computer-aided design and multimedia presentations. Architects like Toyo Ito and Zaha Hadid have used these technologies to push the boundaries of architectural representation. The history of architecture documentary is a testament to the human desire to document and understand the built environment, from the earliest records of ancient civilizations to the digital tools of today. This documentary showcases the evolution of architectural expression and the challenges that it faces in a rapidly changing world.